The conference board predicts that the global GDP will expand by 2.7% in 2022 and 2.7% in 2023. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine, persistent inflation, and tightening international financial conditions have all contributed significantly to the recent rapid deterioration of the global growth environment. The global economy is probably going to get much closer to the recessionary zone. A global recession is characterized by a GDP growth rate significantly below 2% or a per capita income growth rate that is negative globally. Only 5 times during the post-war era did this happen: in the late 1970s, early 1980s, early 1990s, during the 2008 to 2009 global financial crisis, and during the pandemic recession. According to the conference board, worldwide income will expand by 1.2% in 2023, which is much less than the average from the previous 10 years. Nevertheless, it won't shrink. Now more likely than ever, the US will experience a brief recession in late 2022 or early 2023 due to the Federal Reserve's escalating hawkishness. With below-trend growth and above-trend inflation, the times just before and following the recession are likely to have stagflationary traits. Weaker demand and tighter financial conditions will be felt globally as a result of rapid monetary tightening and a US recession. Close trading partners Canada and Mexico will probably experience the most impact. Due to the sharp increase in natural gas prices and deteriorating supply dynamics, growth in Europe was also slightly lowered. From the third quarter on, growth in the euro area is likely to be well below trend, but there won't be likely a true recession. 2 distinct events that could send the region into a recession are a significant extension of the conflict in Ukraine into NATO territory and a sovereign debt crisis. Our projections for China's growth remain the same as they were last month. China's recovery is anticipated to continue in the second half of the year if no significant new outbreaks take place, thanks to the relaxation of COVID limitations and a number of stimulus measures. Even so, development will be limited by domestic issues, including a sluggish housing market and a generally unfavorable global economic climate. Robert Kiyosaki once said, "The size of your success is measured by the strength of your desire, the size of your dream, and how you handle disappointment along the way." True enough that the global economic state does look bleak, but that does not mean that you have to go down with it. If you have that unwavering desire to succeed, you'll be motivated to find more promising alternatives. It's about thinking outside the box and getting out of your comfort bubble, whether that be a shift from traditional to digital form of business or investing into NFTs.